Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to screen mirror and cast your Android phone to an LG TV.
Method 1. Screen share. Built-in. Step 1. Turn on your LG TV and connect it to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the same Wi-Fi. Step 3. On LG TV, open Home, Screen Share. Step 4. On Android phone, open Settings, Cast/Screencast/Smart View. Step 5. Select your LG TV from the list. Step 6. Allow permission, screen mirroring starts. Method 2. Cast apps, YouTube, Netflix, etc. Step 1. Open a supported app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap the cast icon. Step 3. Choose your LG TV. Step 4. Video plays on TV. Method 3. LG ThinQ app. Step 1. Install LG ThinQ from Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and sign in. Step 3. Add your LG TV to the app. Step 4. Use screen share/cast option.